everyone. Today I would like to introduce about Farouk Medical City Central Sterilization Supply Department, and this is our dirty zone. We will collect all the dirty items from all over the hospital and we will segregate here, and we can say this is the most important part of the hospital and we will do everything according to the standard way. This is our clean zone and this is the place we will, after the washing disinfection, we are removing the instruments from the machine and we will check here and we will pack and prepare for the sterilization. And we have different types of we have pouches also for steam and for hydrogen peroxide plasma. This is our sterile zone. Here we are keeping all the sterile items. After sterilization, we will remove all the items from the sterilizer and we will place according to each department wise. Then in FMC we are following FIFO system, that means first in, first out.